How to fix Scotiabank app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Scotiabank and then search for it. With that, app will appear. Now at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of General. Here over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, find the app Scotiabank. Once you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solutions doesn't work for you, you can apply solution 3. That is, you'll need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store. Now search for the app Scotiabank. Once app appears, install it. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Scotiabank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.